New product from Suparee. We have an all-new LED third brake light kit. Just in time for Christmas parades. Come check out the install. Good God, this thing's heavy. Woo! Take the screws out of the brake light cover and pull this off to expose the wiring. Only got small fingers to get back here and press this little button. So, with this unplugged right here for the JL installation, you just got to plug this in to its place. Then plug this back into the brake light here. So as you can see, what I want to do with the wiring, I want to route this up around like this, and I want this to end with this end plugged into the light and this end over here plugged into the original harness right here. Just got to figure out where to stuff all this wiring inside here. So here on the back side of the tire, zip tied the excess wire, stuffed it in here kind of out of the way. But the wires run up through here, and then the plug lays here, and then the factory wire that came down original is still there. So when this one come up here, you disconnect it, you plug this jumper in, factory wire plugs in the jumper, runs on here, powers a light, light comes out, goes up here to this light. So this light functions, and the new light down here functions as well. Tighten those screws back up. Alright, so we go to put this in, you gotta put the hole through the bottom stud. Now, with absolutely zero help from man's best friend, who's staring off in the woods right now, I will be left to pick up this 35-inch tire all by myself. Get a torque wrench. Actually, make sure that's 60 foot-pounds. There it goes. Got that one torqued. That one's torqued. And that one's torqued. Congratulations, you have just completed the install of your LED spare tire brake light kit. You are now YouTube DIY certified from 1870 Off-Road.